Ever been eyeing that new phone or those trendy sneakers, but your paycheck feels miles away? You're not alone. We all have those moments where we crave something now, but payday seems like an eternity. That's where buy now, pay later, BNPL, services like Beforepay come in. But here's the burning question: what's the minimum you can actually buy using Beforepay? Let's dive in. Beforepay is a popular BNPL option that allows you to purchase items and pay them off in installments over time, interest-free. It's a fantastic way to spread out the cost of bigger purchases and avoid those dreaded credit card debts. But how does it work in practice? Can you use it for that $5 latte, or is there a minimum spend? Now, the million-dollar question: what's the minimum purchase amount for Beforepay? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Here's why. Merchant variability. Beforepay works with a wide range of online and offline merchants. Each merchant sets its own minimum purchase amount for BNPL transactions. Dynamic range. This minimum can fluctuate. Some merchants may have a low minimum for certain product categories, while others might have higher thresholds. Where to find the information? So, how do you find out the minimum purchase amount for a specific merchant? Check the merchant's website. Most online retailers will clearly state their BNPL policies, including minimum purchase requirements, on their website. Look for their payment options or checkout pages. Contact the merchant directly. If you can't find the information online, reach out to the merchant's customer service. They'll be able to provide you with the exact minimum purchase amount for Beforepay. Beforepay app/website. The Beforepay app or website might also have a section where you can browse participating merchants and see their minimum purchase requirements. Tips for finding low minimum merchants. Want to maximize your Beforepay usage? Here are a few tips for finding merchants with low minimum purchase amounts. Explore smaller retailers. Smaller online stores and boutiques may have lower minimums compared to larger retailers. Look for first-time user offers. Some merchants might offer special deals or lower minimums for new Beforepay users. Utilize search filters. If the Beforepay app or website has a merchant directory, use filters to narrow down your search based on minimum purchase amount or product category. Beyond the minimum purchase. Remember, even if you meet the minimum purchase amount, other factors can influence your eligibility for Beforepay. These may include: credit check. Beforepay may perform a soft credit check to assess your creditworthiness. Income verification. You may need to provide proof of income to qualify for Beforepay. Purchase history. Your past purchase behavior with Beforepay can also impact your eligibility. While there's no universal minimum purchase amount for Beforepay, it's generally a flexible option that can be used for a variety of purchases. By doing your research and understanding the specific terms and conditions of each merchant, you can make the most of Beforepay and enjoy the convenience of interest-free installments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.